it out. Meanwhile, it's the residents of Gaza who continue to carry refugees even within their homes.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is a website that allows you to graphically find radio stations that are on the internet, mostly AM and FM stations throughout the world. And every one of those green dots is a station. I don't know what the larger or bigger, denser dot means. I don't know if it means it's a more powerful station or what. But many years ago, I was using this on my cell phone, and it just had a limited number of functions, but it worked very well. And last week, my good friend and longtime subscriber, Thomas, told me that it's available on the PC. And I don't know how long it's been available on the PC, but I didn't know it. And it appears that on the PC version, there's a bunch of options that I don't remember having on my application on my cell phone. Like down here, you can have favorites. These are my two favorites that I set up a few minutes ago. You can explore, and it will show you all the stations nearby. Right there, stations in London. And there's actually 357 stations. Oh my gosh, look at that. Gee whiz. So what I like to do is I like to find a talk radio station with newscast in other countries and see what they're saying about the news as opposed to what Fox News or CNN is saying here in the United States, to kind of get a comparison. And you can even, for instance, let me zoom out. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom out, or you can use this plus or minus. And if I can figure out what my geography is, I think it's right here. And see how this gets updated as you move the circle? Okay, this is not what I wanted. My geography is poor. And this map it doesn't give you any cities or there we go. That's Ukraine. That's what I want to listen to. Oh, please quiet down. So I haven't done it yet, but I want to see if I can find a station in Ukraine that is broadcasting in English and broadcasting the news of what they're saying is going on over there. That to me would be interesting to hear their point of view. Like I say, you could set up favorites. Like I could mark this right now. I'm tuned into this and I don't particularly want this one, so I'm not going to mark it. Let me just see if I could find. See, mostly these are FM stations, and these are commercial stations that not only broadcast over the air, they broadcast over the internet. And this application lets you find those stations very easily. Yeah, I don't know. And then here's nearby cities. So I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to Crimea Reality AM. I'm going to try that one. And FM.
This is Radio Free Europe, Radio Liberty, Praha.
Oh.
This is Radio Free Europe, Radio
Okay.
Liberty, Praha.
That's nice. No music. Okay, anyway, I could now say I like this one. I could hit the heart here, not there. Yeah, that's what I want clicked on. Could hit the heart there, make it a favorite, or down here, I could make it a favorite. You could search, like I want to search for Jacksonville, where Jeff lives. Jacksonville, Florida, yeah. Click on that, and boom, it goes right there to Jacksonville, Florida, finds the station there, and now I can play it. Oh no, it hasn't changed yet. Let's just play Gator Country.
99.9.
There we go. Pretty cool. So check this out. I want to thank Thomas for letting me know about the PC website that you can use. It's radio.garden. And then once you get into that, then it goes and does various things like plays a station or whatever. And I can't believe, see, there's quite a few stations in the United States, but look at this. This is what's surprising to me. If I go over here, look at this area right here. I think that's, oh, my geography is terrible. Let me just zoom in here. Look at all these stations. And this is the Netherlands. Okay. I wish there was some way that you could say don't play until I tell you to play. This is, you click on the 3 dots and you can share the station or visit the website, or you can make it a favorite. So check it out, radio.garden. Many of you are familiar with this. I was not familiar with the PC website, which seems to have a lot more options. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.